Greetings, fellow cosmic explorers. Today we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of AI scriptwriting. From video productions to theatrical plays and even chatbot conversations, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach scriptwriting. By the end of this cosmic adventure, you'll be equipped to harness the power of AI to create scripts that are truly out of this world. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for liftoff. We're about to explore the vast universe of AI scriptwriting. Before we dive into AI scriptwriting, let's understand what a script is and what we mean by meta in this context. A script is a written work that provides dialogue, actions, and directions for a performance or interaction. Scripts are used in films, TV shows, plays, and chatbot conversations. For example, a movie script might include dialogue, actions, and notes about the setting or camera angles. In both cases, the script serves as a blueprint for the final product. Now let's explore the concept of meta in relation to scriptwriting. Meta refers to self-referential or self-aware content. By understanding these fundamental concepts, we lay the groundwork for our exploration of AI scriptwriting. Now that we've established our foundation, let's blast off into the world of basic prompts for AI scriptwriting. A prompt is a set of instructions we give to an AI system to generate a script. Think of it as a cosmic recipe. The ingredients we provide will determine the final dish the AI serves up. Let's start with a simple example. Write a script for a 2-minute video about the importance of space exploration. To improve our basic prompt, we can add more specific details. Write a script for a 2-minute educational video about the importance of space exploration. Include mentions of technological advancements, scientific discoveries, and the potential for future human colonization of other planets. The key is to start simple and gradually add more specific instructions as we become more comfortable with the process. Section 4. Refining your prompts. Building on our previous example, let's see how we can refine our prompt further. Write a script for a 2-minute educational video about the importance of space exploration. Target audience high school students. Include mentions of satellite technology, GPS, understanding of dark matter, exoplanets, and the potential for future human colonization of Mars. Use an enthusiastic and inspiring tone. Structure the script with an introduction, 3 main points, and a conclusion. This refined prompt provides much more context and structure for the AI to work with. The more specific and clear our instructions, the better the AI can understand and execute our creative vision. Section 5. A meta example. Scripting about scriptwriting. Let's venture into the mind-bending realm of meta scriptwriting, creating a script about the process of scriptwriting itself. Here's an example of a meta prompt. Write a script for a 5-minute educational video explaining how to use AI for scriptwriting. The video should target aspiring writers and content creators. Include sections on understanding basic prompts, refining prompts with specific details, and tips for effective AI collaboration. Use a conversational tone and include examples throughout. This meta prompt challenges the AI to create content about its own process, providing valuable insights into AI scriptwriting. Section 6. Tips for effective prompt writing. Be specific in your instructions. The more details you provide, the better the AI can understand and execute your vision. Include information about the target audience, desired tone, structure, and key points you want to cover. For example, instead of saying write a script about black holes, try write a script for a 3-minute video explaining black holes to middle school students. Provide context for your script. Help the AI understand the bigger picture by explaining the purpose of the script, where it will be used, and any relevant background information. Experiment with different prompts and iterations. Don't be afraid to refine your prompts based on the results you receive. If the first attempt doesn't quite hit the mark, adjust your instructions and try again. This iterative process is like fine-tuning a satellite's orbit. Small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in the final outcome. Leverage the AI's strengths while being aware of its limitations. Use your human creativity to fill in these gaps and polish the AI-generated script into a truly stellar final product.